What's up, guys? We're back.
What's up, guys? We're back.
It's been a second since we made a video. Welcome to 2021. Yeah, January was kind of a wash for us. I mean, Corona is kind of
took its toll on us, guys.
Yeah, Corona's not fun at all.
We were attacked.
Yeah, we were sick a little bit, but we got some stuff done, even though we were sick.
Yeah, as you can see, we got some stuff done. It's still a mess.
Yeah. Reorganized the garage a little bit. Got a little shed in the backyard to store some car
all
parts.
the shelving. The big table is moved. It's chopped in half. Now we just we threw everything in here, so now we gotta go through it, organize it all.
Build some shelves.
Yeah.
But that's not the reason we're coming at you guys today to talk. Basically, we want to just give you guys a preview of 2021. I mean, as you guys saw from our intro, I mean, we did some pretty cool things. Why are you sitting down?
My legs are tired.
Oh, God. But as you saw in the intro, we did some pretty cool things in 2021. We're looking to continue that. Wait a minute, did I say 2021? Well, we did some cool things a year ago.
Yeah, the bad year.
Yeah. 2020. But we got some big things planned for this year. I didn't have the best.
We actually have quite a few freaking plans.
Yeah, I didn't have the best of luck with vehicles in 2021. So just a rundown of what we have. Me personally, I have my Trailblazer SS that we turboed back in December. Some things are going on with it. We'll get to that. That'll be a different video.
But they seen the build.
Yeah, they saw the process of that. So if not, go back, check some of those videos out. And then I got a tow vehicle for that because I don't trust the Trailblazer and I need something that's going to be able to tow it.
Because, I mean, as you guys probably seen in the video, we had for now, temporary, we don't know what we're going to do, but the AC, no matter what, is gone for right now until we figure out what to do. So, he has a new daily.
Yeah. I got a 2004 LLY Duramax. So, I haven't introduced that to you guys yet. That'll be its own little video too because, oh boy, we have some things to talk about with that truck.
Oh, yeah.
We do. And then you want to tell them a little bit about your stuff?
Oh, so same as always, the Z's sitting here.
Yeah.
It didn't drive over to the other side of the garage. We pushed it. But yeah, it's sitting there. Of course, we still got to finish that. But we'll get to that eventually.
And then, I mean, as you can tell by some of this rust on the floor, Tony's truck got some new rockers. We still have the go-kart tucked away in the corner right here. And motors we're going to build.
We did. We're not giving up on the go-kart. I actually did do some work on it not too long ago. Figured out some better motor angles, stuff like that, and then figured out what I needed for it. I ordered some parts to get it to finally fire up. So that is not given up on yet. So we'll get some more content on that. But yeah, rockers replaced. Truck's gonna get a makeover. Truck's back. It's working. We drive it every day, so it's gonna get a makeover. It might get wrapped a different color, so
yeah,
stay tuned for that.
So really, we're looking to bring you guys some cool stuff. We're looking to make it out to some events this year. I mean, more than what we did. I mean, we brought a little bit of LS Fest last year, but
it's kind of a bust. The content-wise, I guess, was it
rained.
Yeah, it rained out, man. So maybe we'll have some better luck with these events coming up.
But we're hoping to make it out to some events. I mean, Texas 2K is up around the corner. I want to go.
Yeah, shout out to Slow Speeds, begging us to go as always. So
yeah,
we'll think about it.
He needs a pit crew, so.
What is it, 9 second?
Yeah, he's got a 9-second Mustang. So, I mean, if we can make it down there and help him out, that'd be cool. Other than that, I mean, Indianapolis should have a Cletus and cars that we can hopefully make it to. We're still in the Midwest, so drag season doesn't start back up until around like March, April time frame at the drag strip that's closest to us.
But from as much Cletus as we watch, man, we gotta make it out to one of those.
Yeah, we gotta make it to the Cletus and cars that's gonna be out there.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. I mean,
we still got our 2 LS blocks back there. We gotta.
We'll go more in depth.
And a Duramax motor.
Yeah, a Duramax block too. That we're definitely gonna try to make something out of.
Yeah, touch base on my truck. We said that we're gonna do a makeover. Transmission's been rebuilt. The whole drive line's been rebuilt, except the motor. Rust is getting taken care of. I mean, everything. I'm trying to make it new. So the last thing on that would be the motor. I want to build a motor back to 0 miles. So that's the goal with that. And then we got those LS motors that we're gonna flip, of course, and sell, make a little bit of profit to keep doing what we like to do. And then we also have
a potential to go and help somebody else swap a vehicle.
A buddy that lives around us.
He's got a 72 Chevelle A body that he wants LS swapped. He's got a 6.0 iron block. He
sold him a 4L80.
Yeah, he picked up a 4L80 in the Phytech system that I had for my single cab. So
he's pretty much set. Besides, he wants us to go through the 6.0. It was a running motor, pulled from a running vehicle. As far as he knows, I don't think he's seen the oil pressure, but he said there was no noise. So yeah, it sounds like it's like a good candidate. We're gonna go through it, replace bearings, clean it up, make it look good, and do the preventative. Really not much, but just to make it new, I guess you could say, and then make it look good before it gets dropped in this Chevelle. Man, you guys are gonna be stoked when you see it. It is clean, pretty.
So that's why we had to make a little bit of room in this garage, because that Chevelle is long. I mean, it's about as long as the Trailblazer. Yeah. So we're gonna need all of this room to fit that and a cherry picker in here. I mean, other than that,
yeah, it's pretty awesome. We built the shed. Everything's in the shed. We haven't released a video, but we also got quarantined for a month, and then we are revamping the garage. Like we built a shed, moved everything out there. Really, all the storage is
let's go show them the shed real quick.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. So this is the shed out here, dude. What are you doing? Come on, come on. Oh, and as you can see, it's literally just yard tools, wheels, and tapes.
Get him a stand back view of the LS table.
Dude, the LS table is packed. And then we still have just odds and ends over here, plastics, other odds and ends. Yeah, but it's kind of cold out here, so we're gonna go back inside real quick. All right, guys, you've seen our stuff that we just showed you. We got the shed out there to clear some space in the garage. The garage is a lot better. We got our junk in the corner that needs to be in the corner. So, I mean, and we kind of explained short version on all the cars. If you want to know more about a car and just have a rundown on it, comment down below and we'll give you a complete rundown of how it is, right, meow, and we'll go from there. But other than that, guys, just stay up to date on what we talked about. Hit that subscribe button, throw us that thumbs up, and stay tuned. You got any words?
I hate when you ask me if I have any words. No.